So next sessions, zero initial velocity problem. Problem number 2. A tightly stitched string of length L is infinitely at any rest in equilibrium position, and each point of its given the velocity y of x comma 0 equal to y naught of sine cube pi x by L. Find the displacement at any time t. So here is already I told. So this is a zero initial velocity. So here is given as equilibrium position is given. So this is a wording to find in the problems. So in this case we can apply the boundary conditions. So already I told in the previous problem. So first we have to write the solutions. The one dimensional wave equations, dou square y divided by dou t square equal to a square dou square y divided by dou x square. Then the boundary conditions are: number 1, y of 0 comma t equal to 0. Number 2, y of L comma t equal to 0. Number 3, y of x comma 0 equal to 0. Number 4, dou y by dou t of x comma 0 equal to y naught sine cube pi x by L. Then the correct solutions for one dimensional wave equations is y of x comma t equal to c1 cos px plus c2 sin px into c3 cos pat plus c4 sin pat. So next you can apply 1 in 1, that is equation number 1 in condition number 1. So applying 1 in 1 we get put x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 means, so what is sin 0? So sin 0 is 0. Put x equal to 0 means cos 0 is 1, so we get c1. So therefore we can write y of 0 comma t equal to c1 into c3 cos pat plus c4 sin pat equal to 0. So here is which one is 0? So c1 is 0. Suppose you are putting this one is 0 means constant equal to 0 means that is totally vanishes. So therefore c1 is 0. Substitute c1 equal to 0 in equation number 1. So we will get y of x comma t equal to c2 sin px into c3 cos pat plus c4 sin pat. So we can take this one is equation number 2. So next we can apply equation number 2 in condition number 2. So put x equal to L, y of L comma t equal to c2 sin, put x equal to L means pl into c3 cos pat plus c4 sin pat equal to 0. So this one is already we know c3 cos pat plus c4 sin pat is not equal to 0 from condition number equation number 2. Then c2 is also not equal to 0. Suppose we put c2 equal to 0 means whole thing must be vanishes. So which one is 0? So sin pl is 0. Therefore sin pl equal to 0. So what is sin 0? That is n pi. So here is I can take n pi. So pl equal to n pi. Therefore p equal to n pi divided by L. Substitute p equal to n pi by L in equation number 2. So we get y of x comma t equal to c2 sin n pi x by L into c3 cos n pi at by L plus c4 sin n pi at by L. This one is equation number 3. So next apply 3 in 3. So we get y of put t equal to 0. So put t equal to 0 means, so here is t equal to 0, sin 0 must be in 0, what is cos 0 must be in 1. So we get only c3. So therefore we get c3, that is c2 c3 sin n pi x divided by L equal to 0. So here is c2 is not equal to 0 in previous case. So sin n pi x by L is also not equal to 0. This is a trigonometric function. So only one thing is c3 is 0. So substitute c3 equal to 0 in equation number 3. So we get y of x comma t equal to c2 sin pi x by L, c4 sin n pi at by L. So here is we can take the constant c2 and c4 in terms of cn. Therefore cn sin n pi x divided by L into sin n pi at by L. So write the general solution for this case. Therefore y of x comma t equal to summations n equal to 1 to infinity cn sin n pi x by L into sin n pi at by L. we can take this one is equation number 4. Then apply 4 in 4. Before that we can differentiate with respect to t from equation number 4. So dou y by dou t of x comma t equal to, this one is constant term, we can write as it is. Differentiation of sign means we get cos n pi a t by l, with respect to t means n pi a by l. Then put that one is equal to f of x functions. Therefore applying 4 in 5 we get summation n equal to 1 to infinity cn n pi a by l, then sin n pi x by l equal to f of x. Put t equal to 0. Now what is f of x? Y naught sin cube of pi x by l. This is a given problem. So these are nothing but half-range sine series. So here is bn is nothing but cn sin n pi a by l. Therefore f of x equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by l. What is bn? Cn into pi n pi a by l. So first we can find the bn value. So bn equal to 2 by l integral 0 to l f of x sin n pi x divided by l into dx. Then what is bn? Cn n pi a by l. So replace bn value, then replace f of x value. Here is don't use the Bernoulli's formula. Why means both side must be, we get the sine functions. So we know the formula for sin 3a. What is sin 3a? 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. For 4 sin cube a equal to, we get minus 3 sin a. So divided by 4 means we get 3 sin a minus sin 3a whole divided by 4. So y naught of, so a is nothing but pi x by l. Here is pi x by l, that is equal to, you can expand this one, put n equal to 1, b1 sin pi x by l, plus put n equal to 2, b2 sin 2 pi x by l, then plus b3 sin 3 pi x by l, plus etc. So these are sin cube a formulas, so I can write here. So next multiply y naught here. So y naught 3 y naught by 4 sin pi x by l minus y naught by 4 sin 3 pi x by l equal to, write down the b1 b2 b3 conditions. So next identify the corresponding coefficient here. So what is the corresponding coefficient here? So first comparing the b1 value. So sin n pi x by l. So here is sin n pi x by l. What is b1? Therefore b1 equal to 3 y naught by 4. So we cancel sin n pi x by l and sin n pi x by l first order. So next b2. So sin 2 pi x by l. Here is, there is no sin 2 pi x by l. Therefore b2 is 0. Next we can take b3. So sin 3 pi x by l. So here is we have sin 3 pi x by l. Therefore b3 equal to minus y naught by 4. Then b4, that is equal to 0. b5 b6 everything must be 0. Therefore so bn equal to 0 for n is not equal to 2 4 5 6. Therefore cn is equal to 0 for n is not equal to 2 4 5 6. Therefore we can substitute the value here. Therefore c1 equal to b1 l pi by a equal to 3 y naught by 4 l divided by 3 pi by a. So substitute this value from given original equation number 4. Therefore y of x comma t equal to c1 sin n pi x by l into sin pi a t by l plus c3 sin 3 pi x by l sin 3 pi a t divided by l. That is equal to, what is c1 c3? That is c1 is nothing but b1, c3 is nothing but b3. Substitute the value here. So the final solution is 3 y naught l divided by 4 pi a, then sin pi x by l plus, that is sin pi a t by l minus y naught l divided by 12 pi a sin 3 pi x by l into sin 3 pi a t by l. So these are final required solutions for this problem. So one more thing is, so here is we have to identify the given problem is, so this is a very important one. So sin 3a, so sin 3a is nothing but 3 sin a minus 3 sin a minus sin 3a divided by 4. So important thing is, we know that sin 3a formulas. So sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. So we can take 4 sin cube a from your LHS equal to, we get 3 sin a minus, here is we have sin 3a, we can go through the RHS side means we get minus 3 sin a. So here is we get 1 4, so divided by 4. So this formula is very very important one to finding the solutions of sin cube, y naught sin cube of pi x by l. Here is, there is no Bernoulli's formula. So just we can identify the coordinate points. What is coordinate points? So just we can take sin pi x by l. So here is, there is sin pi x by l. therefore b1 is we get the value. Then 2 pi x by L means from here is there is no 2 pi x by L, so therefore answer must be 0, b2. Then b3 we get the value, b4 is 0, then b5 we get the value, like that. So equating the comparing, that is equating the coefficient of LHS equal to RHS. So we get the required solutions. So this is a very important problem, so be careful here. So main thing is, first we can read the problem again and again, just check this one is zero velocity problem or non-zero velocity problem. So 0 means that is initial point is rest in the positions, non-zero velocity means there is equilibrium positions, so like that. So be careful here, we will continue the next sections. Okay, thank you.